Okay people, so I'm in a supermarket and I'm buying some seasoning. This is the jerk seasoning from Island Spice. So you can put this on your this seasoning is very good. There are some seasoning from Grace. Hello everyone, so in this video I am sharing with you how to season chicken Jamaican style. Now in this container is 3 pounds of chicken. However, I only use 2 wings, 2 legs, 2 thigh and 2 breasts. So the back of the chicken, which is called the carcass, I return it to the fridge. So I will use it to make soup or to brown stew. Now I already cut up the chicken and wash with vinegar and water solution, put to drain and then pat dry using a piece of paper towel. So I leave the skin intact. I also leave some of the fats on the chicken as well because I am gonna fry it, which I don't really do quite often. Now I am gonna season this chicken with some Jamaican spices. If you watch my videos, you will see that I use international spices a lot because they are much cheaper than our local Jamaican spices. So I use Badia a lot. Badia products in Jamaica are much cheaper than to use our local Jamaican product. However, if you want the real authentic taste of Jamaica in your food, you have to use the Jamaican products. That's what I will be using in this video. So to season the chicken, I am gonna go ahead and put some salt. This is about 3/4 teaspoon. So I am gonna use this Grace ginger garlic pimento. So this spice is a mixture of ginger and garlic and pimento, and it smells really good. But like I said, these are very expensive, and that's why you will find a lot of Jamaicans using Maggi as well as Badia and those products because those are cheaper in Jamaica. So I am putting generous amount. So I would say around 1 teaspoon. This is Island Spice jerk seasoning, and this is the bomb. I use this sometimes. Like I said, these spices ain't cheap. So you'll find that a lot of people in Jamaica don't use them. And a lot of people use retail spices that they purchase in the market, which I do not use because it is not passed through, or they are not passed through the Bureau of Standard in Jamaica, so they can be anything. So I don't use them. I use products that are passed through the Bureau of Standard. So if anything happens to me, my family can sue them and get money. So this is jerk seasoning from Island Spice, and this is really good. This is really good. And last but not least, this is black pepper from Grace. And you know that Grace product ain't cheap. Grace products are very expensive. So I use different type of spices. You know, I use Maggi, I use Badia. It depends on my mood, and it depends on the taste that I want in my food. Like in this recipe, I want the real authentic Jamaican taste, so I use Jamaican spices. So I am gonna season the chicken, and I'm telling you, this smells so good because you can smell the real Jamaican flavor floating around. Okay, so I did said last but not least, but not really, because I am also gonna put this on the chicken, which is red pepper cayenne from Island Spice, and this gives the meat a sort of a red color, not really red, but like a red background. So it's red pepper cayenne from Island Spice, and this is not a paid video. I was thinking to myself, when this channel starts to make money, I will like do gift packages for some real authentic viewers and for people who comment all the time and so forth, but that will come in the future as soon as I start to make money on this channel. You know, ads are on the channel, but it was like last week they put ads on the channel, so on the videos, so you know, no money not start make as yet. So I'm thinking about it because these products are really good. So yes, so now I am gonna do some herbs and spices. Like I said, the video is to show you some Jamaican spices that you can get on Amazon. They are really good. And this one as well, and also to show you how to season chicken Jamaican style. So even though it is fried chicken or fried chicken that I will be preparing, I'm still gonna add some fresh herbs to it. So I have like piece of country pepper and 3 banana peppers. The banana peppers are more for flavor, and half of 1 onion and 1 stalk scallion and 2 cloves garlic. At these ketchup from Grace, they are so good. This one, Jamaican jerk flavored hot ketchup, I've never tried this one before. I think I'm gonna buy this one. I don't see a price here, but they wrote special edition, so I guess they're just testing it on the market. I think I'm gonna try this one. But you have the hot Scotch bonnet flavored hot ketchup. I tried this one before. And then you have the hot tomato ketchup. I think I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try this one. This is the Jamaican jerk flavored hot ketchup, and it is from Grace. So I am gonna use it as a dipping sauce for the fried chicken. So I will show you what it looks like when the chicken is ready. This is the Jamaican fried chicken, authentic fried chicken. If you notice, that crust that a lot of people overseas love is not on the Jamaican authentic fried chicken, what we call French fried chicken. If you should come to Jamaica and buy food at a restaurant or even at any cook shops on the street side, this is how the chicken will be done. No eggs, just the flour with baking powder, and then you season the flour with spices as well. Now this is the ketchup, Jamaican jerk flavored hot ketchup. So I am gonna try it for the very first time. So I'm gonna put just a little bit in this saucer. And I am gonna try it with a piece of fried chicken. Good. This is the ideal dipping sauce, but let me tell you something. Most Jamaicans do not eat their chicken with dipping sauce. We just eat the fried chicken just like this, no dipping sauce. No dipping sauce whatsoever. But this is good, and it can use as a dipping sauce. And I'll tell you something. You can taste the authentic jerk seasoning coming through. Jerk flavor, I should say, coming through. The chicken is soft. I don't think this sauce is available overseas. I don't know. You can check on Amazon, or you can go on Grace Instagram and ask them. So this is good. It's the first I'm seeing it on the market. It's good. So that's it, folks. Remember to subscribe. So I'm gonna close here, and I am gonna just eat this piece of chicken and one wing. That's it for my dinner. I'm good. So that's it. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video. When you subscribe to my channel, make sure to click the bell icon, and there are options there. Click on all if you want to receive all uploads to this channel.